This week's phonics lesson is lesson 14. We will be going over the letters A, I, C, G, M, N, and P. Let's begin. Name the letters and their common sounds. This is the letter A. A makes the A sound. Can you make the A sound with me? A. A. This is the letter I. Letter I makes the I sound. Now you try it. Can you make the I sound? This is the letter C. Letter C makes the K sound. Can you make the letter C sound with me? K. Very good. This is the letter G. Letter G makes the G sound. Let me hear you make the letter G sound G. Awesome. This is the letter M. Letter M makes the sound. Can you make the sound with me? Our next letter is the letter N. Letter N makes the sound. Can you make the letter N sound with me? Very good. And our last letter is the letter P. Letter P makes the P sound. Can I hear you say the P sound for letter P? P. Very good. Using the letters that we reviewed just now, we will be making words. Our first word has 2 letters. Our first letter makes the A sound. Can you remember which letter makes the A sound? If you chose the letter A, you are correct. The next letter that comes in our 2-letter word is the letter that makes the sound. Which letter makes the sound? Can you find it and point to it? If you chose letter M, you are correct. A-M spells am. Am. If you are nonverbal, remember that you can practice saying the letter sounds and the words in your mind. Let's move on to our next letter. Our next letter also has 2 letters in it. Our next word, I mean. The first letter in our 2-letter word is I. I. Can you find the letter that makes the I sound by pointing to it? If you chose the letter I, you are correct. Our next letter and the last letter in this word makes the sound. Which letter makes the sound? If you chose the letter N, you are correct. I-N spells the word in. In. Very good. Our next word has 3 letters this time. So listen carefully. Our first letter makes the sound P. Can you find the letter that makes the sound P by pointing to it? P. If you chose the letter P, you are correct. Great job. Letter P is our first letter of our word. Our next letter makes the I sound. I. Which letter below makes the I sound? If you picked letter I, you are correct. Letter I is our second letter in our word. The last letter of our word makes the sound. Which letter makes the sound? Can you point to it? If you chose the letter N, you're correct again. Great job. Our word is pin. P-I-N. Pin. The next section of our phonics lesson today is word sort. I would like you to count the number of letters in each word. We will do this together. Our first word is am. A-M spells am. 1, 2. Am has 2 letters in it. Fantastic. Moving on to our second word is an. An. A-N. 1, 2. An has 2 letters in it. You're doing great. The last word on this page is in. I-N. 1, 2. In has 2 letters in it. Okay, getting a little tricky here. Our next words have more letters in them. So let's count and see how many letters they have. Our first word is pin. P-I-N spells pin. Let's count the letters together. 1, 2, 3. Pin has 3 letters inside it. Good. Now, our next word is nip. N-I-P. Nip. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Nip has 3 letters in it as well. You're doing a great job. The next word on this page is nap. Nap. N-A-P spells nap. Let's count the letters together. 1, 2, 3. Nap has 3 letters in it too. Great job. This time, I want you to help me circle the words that end with A-N. We have an, A-N, and we have the word in, I-N. Using your finger or your voice, which word has A-N in it? An. If you chose an, you are correct. This time, I want you to circle the word or point to it that has N at the end. Our first word is man, M-A-N, and our second word is map, M-A-P. Which word has the ending A-N in it? Can you point to the word that ends with A-N? If you chose man, you are correct. Now I would like you to find the word that ends with A-N again. Our first word is cap, C-A-P, cap. Our second word is can, C-A-N. Which word ends with A-N? You can either say the word or point to it. Find the word that ends with A-N. If you chose the word can, you chose correctly. Great job. Our next section is transfer words. Now, I want you to find the letter that our word above begins with. Our word is coast. Coast. What letter is at the beginning of the word coast? Again, you may point or say the letter out loud. If you chose the letter C, you are correct. Great job. Our new word is maybe. Maybe. I want you to find the letter that maybe begins with. This letter makes the sound. Which letter do you see at the beginning of maybe? Say it out loud or point to it. If you chose the letter M, you are correct. The word maybe starts with the letter M. Great job. This is the end of this week's phonics lesson.